Rose, I can't believe we're in a police car.
I can believe it. You literally confessed to a crime.
I asked for medicine, but everyone looked at me like a criminal.
Steven, what exact words did you use?
Well, I asked the pharmacist. Hi, I need poison to kill it right now.
Oh, okay, hold on, please.
Police? Yes, emergency!
Listen, you said poison. Poison is wrong. You need medicine.
Oh. Poison is bad? I wanted medicine. Officer, I made a mistake. I need medicine, please. Stomachache, urgently.
He's serious, officer.
No, really, serious stomach pain. Medicine, now. Whew. I am so glad they understood it was just bad English.
It wasn't that bad.
Go ahead. Try again. I am right here with you.
Hello, I have a stomachache, please. Can you help me?
I see. What are your other symptoms?
I feel very busy in my head, and I want to throw.
Oh, by busy you mean dizzy, right? Throw up, not throw your body.
Yes, exactly. Dizzy and throw up.
Here is medicine for stomachache and dizziness. Take 1 pill with water.
Thank you. Should I eat this pill before I sleep or when I wake up?
Take 1 pill after food, 2 times a day, with a full glass of water.
How much is this, please? Can I pay with card?
It is $10. Here is your medicine and your receipt.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Look, Rose! I got the medicine without any problems.
You did a great job, Steven. You spoke like a native speaker.
Finally home. Now let's get you water and your medicine.
Okay.
Remember what the pharmacist said. Take it with a full glass of water. Now rest for 10 minutes while the medicine starts working.
My stomach feels so much better now.
That is wonderful news. Now that you feel better, let's practice pharmacy English.
Okay, Teacher Rose, I am ready.
We will practice different health problems, symptoms, and pharmacy questions. Welcome to the pharmacy.
Yeah.
I am the pharmacist. How can I help you today?
I have a bad headache, and my body feels very hot.
Good. When your body is hot, you say, I have a fever.
Okay. What if I cough and my neck hurts when I eat?
You say, I have a sore throat. S-O-R-E, sore throat. Do you have a doctor's paper? Or do you want medicine off the shelf?
Doctor's paper?
A doctor's paper is a prescription.
Prescription? No, I do not have a prescription today.
Be careful. This medicine will make you sleepy. Do not drive a car or do important work after you take it.
Sleepy! So I should take this medicine at night.
Now, final test. You have a cold. Talk to the pharmacist.
Hello! I have a cold, a bad cough, and a sore throat. How often should I take this? Will it make me sleepy?
Perfect! You are ready to go to any pharmacy now.
Thank you, Teacher Rose. My English is much better.
Remember, learners, say medicine, never say poison.
Practice your words and keep learning English.